Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be looking at something a little bit different. This is the Reebok Beatnik sandal in the quilted hunter green colorway. Now, I've been wanting to get these for a while now, but they are pretty pricey. These retail for a pretty steep $120. You can definitely get these under retail if you shop around online. I've seen these things go for a significant price off retail, and they have tons of styles and colorways to choose from. So we're going to be taking a close look at the upper, the outsole, and lastly we're going to be seeing how these hold up on feet. So let's get into it. On top we have this padded quilted nylon for the upper. It's got this wavy quilted pattern that looks really elegant. On the side we have this nylon loop. Not sure what it's for or what it can be used for. I guess you can use it to put a toothpick in there. If you know what it's used for, let me know in the comments. Also on the side we have a strap holder with this really nice Reebok logo on it. The sandal uses a two-strap system like these two fine gentlemen here. The top nylon velcro strap adjusts the fit of the bridge of the foot, and the second strap adjusts the fit of the rear of your foot. The rear strap also has extra padding on it so it doesn't dig into your Achilles. Moving down we have a dual compound sole. The top is this dense rubber material that has pretty decent support. It also has good arch support and some toe ridges surprisingly. Beneath that we have a rubber outsole with the shark tooth traction pattern. I love the traction pattern, it's super beefy and it adds to the uniqueness of the sandal. Also it reminds me a bit of a trilobite. On feet these fit true to size and were roomy to me, so no issues there. The comfort is adequate enough to lounge around and run some light errands, but you don't really want to be wearing these standing up for any long period of time because they will start to hurt your feet. I wore these to go out shopping and I was mostly walking pretty much all day, and the sandal felt like it got harder and harder with every step. So again, don't wear these for any long walking activities. These sandals definitely weren't even made for that anyways. The straps really hold you in nicely and the upper is comfortable on the toes. Overall, I just really dig the way these look on feet. Super unique, and it reminds me of a cross between a loafer and a sandal. In conclusion, this sandal slaps. Hard to believe that the Beatnik was originally released in 1994. It was released as a part of Reebok's outdoor fall line for the Western market. It didn't really take off in the States, but it was picked up by Japan where it made waves as the Japanese loved it. Japan has always been really fashion forward, so that doesn't surprise me. What surprised me was that it wasn't designed for an Asian market and it was even excluded from the Asian market. When I first saw this sandal, it totally screened out Japanese design for me. It just really made sense, so it was a big surprise when it wasn't even originally designed for the Japanese market. Overall, I really love this utility sandal. That $120 MSRP is a bit much for me, but I think this is supposed to be more of a designer piece from Reebok. It's definitely ahead of its time. I would totally recommend these to anyone who really likes utility sandals or just wants something that's really unique. So that's going to be it for the video. Like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down below what you guys think of the sandal. Follow me on TikTok at Regular Gear. Thanks so much for watching guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.